Good afternoon! Welcome mga pangga to our third episode of our very educational, informative, and inspiring talk show, ang State of the Mind. But before that, before we discuss our very important topic, allow me to thank our televiewers. No? Overwhelming kaayo ang support nila sa atong second episode na nag-title of Post-Traumatic Depression. And I am really so happy. Salamat kaayo. Even the response sa mga taga-abroad, overwhelming. And we are so excited and so inspired to work harder. And karong hapon na excited kayo ko kay I am joined by two people that I dearly love, no? Ang excited og nakulbaan kay murag heavy ang topic. Because there are two topics nga bugat, ang relationship, because Filipinos are not used to telling their stories in public. And secondly, ang stigma about mental illness in a relationship. Para tabangan ko, pag-interview sa guest, na atay si Dr. Bayod, ang akong ginatawag og TikTok King, to help me interview our guests.
Thank you so much, attorney. Maayong hapon sa tanan. Yeah, it's really true, no? This topic is very sensitive, especially among the Filipinos. Talking about relationship, we normally do not really open that in public. So I remember when I was a counselor in Ateneo at the same time in Korea, so a lot of problems with my counselor or clients really settle on relationship issue, tapos yung problema ba sa pamilya niya. Normally, ang mga ginikanan, dili sila ginapabalo sa kahimtangan, mostly on financial aspect. That is why, ang mga ginikanan, paningkamot, pero ang mga bata, sige, demand o gasto, no? Because we are not really open into that. And sometimes, even Facebook, naga-post ang mga family o mga very beautiful stories, but behind the scene, there are really struggles and challenges na kinahanglan nato isgutan. As basically this afternoon we're so privileged to have this with us, our guest couple who will really share stories and try to help us break the stigma in terms of relationship. So this afternoon ang ato ang guest is si Baron Geisler, kaila mo, no? Artista, very known sa Philippine cinema. So kailan mo ni Baron, and ang iyahang wife si Jamie, clinical psychologist who is assigned in Cebu. So, welcome sa show. Daghang kayong salamat sa pag-anhi o paghatag o higayon, so that ang mga televiewers na to, there is Digos and the rest of the part of the region and even the Philippines and abroad will also know and be inspired about your stories.
Welcome, maayong hapon, Baron and Jamie.
Thank you very much for the warm and beautiful introduction. Sa lahat ng mga televiewers natin, maayong adlaw pala, good afternoon, good evening, and sa lahat, sa buong mundo.
Jamie,
yes, good afternoon,
our televiewers.
Everyone, our televiewers. I hope you will learn from our story.
So, are you ready to buckle down to business?
Yeah, I believe so, yes, Attorney Jen.
Are you ready?
Are you ready, Baron? So, murag bugat siya, no? The topic is heavy because, as I have said earlier, we have to discuss about your relationship and also the mental, how do you deal with the mental illness in your relationship. I'm very grateful that both of you are so brave and so generous to share your story to us. So, this is a very special episode because aside nga sikat si Baron, no, he has the time for us here in Davao del Sur and he wants to share his story in order to help us break the stigma. So, Baron, will you please tell our televiewers when were you diagnosed to have that disorder? And first of all, what is that disorder?
Well, first of all, I started in showbiz at a very young age, and I also started so many vices at the same time. And I think for a very young person, and my brain was still developing at those times, nagkaroon ako ng self-induced bipolarism, and eventually, when my father passed away, I was so depressed to the point that I wasn't talking to anyone. I wasn't talking to any family member. I was in denial of so many things. I was angry at the world, most especially with myself. So I see. My mother pushed me to see a psychiatrist, but I really never saw the point at that time because first I was uneducated about mental health. Second, there were no resources during those times, back in the 90s, late 90s. So I kept going and spending a lot of money to see a psychiatrist. I was taking medications, but I did not see or feel the effect because first, I had no idea what my problem is. So I couldn't understand myself, and my family couldn't understand me as well. So it did not work until later on. I personally wanted to change and sought help from professionals, and slowly understood what the main reason or cause is, why I act this way, where is my anger coming from, why am I living in a delusional world that I created? First, because I was afraid of reality. I was escaping it. I was afraid of life. So I created my own life where I am the master, I am my own God, and nobody could say no to me. So that there was this big wall, nobody could hurt me. So that's it. Until, of course, we'll go to the other juicy things later. I think maybe Jamie can say something, a little something about
Yeah.
question.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, Jamie. Jamie here is a clinical psychologist, and I know she can very well add to what Baron said. Jamie?
Yes, with regard to my background, I graduated with a degree in psychology and education. Most of my work experience would be in rehabilitation setting. So I've been working in a rehabilitation center since 2004. So that's where I met Baron. So I was one of their psychologists in their facility.
Okay. Doc?
Yeah.
Because maybe you might be wondering why I came into the picture. So just a brief background.
Yeah, thank you so much, Jamie. Later we will continue to ask questions on that aspect. But thank you so much, Baron, for sharing your story. And I believe 2 years ago you were in Coriezo, no, talking to a lot of people in the gymnasium. Tapos you share a lot of your stories. And this is another time as basically in public. Thank you so much for that. Without really inhibition and really be so honest about it, no? Walang stigma, walang ano ba. So thank you for that, no? And I hope the viewers will really inspire, no? In terms of how you handle and the point of opening up and really accepting, no? Accepting na those were the times, the dark moments that there was this wall that you created. You create a kind of reality. And thank you. Siguro, Jamie, maybe you can you can share more about how did you meet Baron. So parang where did it started, yung story ng ano niyo, yung love relationship niyo.
Actually, sir, na-scam ko. Joke. No, just
Sabi nga
kidding
niya sa akin,
aside ba?
kung pwede niya daw ako ibalik sa nanay ko eh. Ibalik na nanay.
No, maybe I'm just privileged, no, na I have an education, I have a background in psychology na wala kay ko ni judge niya when I met him. And first off, kuan sad ko kanang butan magud case Baron. Bitaw, dili magud when I met him, dili siya kana bitaw celebrity kuan kana nara siya diha, di siya magpa special treatment. So mo na nakuan sad ko ba. And I myself like, na maging stigma from people, no?
Yes.
Who know him. Ako yung gikon akong self na I did not even research about him. I did not Google kay unsa pala ako makitaan diha ba
Sa
na
Google.
na ko yung
Sa
judgment.
Google.
Di ba? So I just took him as he was when I met him, and then I gave him a chance.
You know, I always say, for those who do not know our relationship, I always admire Jamie. I always tell her na she's so loving and caring and understanding. And I always say, where did you get that from, Jamie? From Baron. But thank you so much, Jamie, now for honestly sharing how you met Baron. Now, being a clinical psychologist or a psychologist in a rehab, you understand what is the disorder of Baron. And what was in your mind when he pursued you and you accepted his offer of love? Yeah.
Attorney, may likit din kasi.
So,
Yeah.
tuliki met together.
Yes, meant to be talaga.
Meant to be.
And yeah, as I said earlier, maybe ako, I have an understanding of his disease. And ako man good, for me, wala na ko siya gilabel as somebody with an illness. Because no one is perfect, no? Wala gi perfect. Even ako, sometimes makaingon ko, mas napa maunti ko'y sakit aning Baron, especially when we're in an argument. Namurag, I lose also my temper, nasa ko'y mood swings. So, it really takes two, no, to make a relationship work. And wala na ko siya gi-label lagi na ingana siya. Kaya ako naman sa ko'y defect.
Yeah, aside from the fact that na mental illness si Baron, no, which he candidly admit, kanang napay stigma nga psychologist ka tapos client siya or patient siya, napay stigma nga ingon ana
Yeah,
sa inyong relationship?
Yes, it really is kanang sa ato ang field, it's unethical to have a relationship with your client. But I always made it clear na he was not my client. He was graduating when we met. So, pero na-involve lang ni og kana mga activities sa rehabilitation, and we were both advocates of mental health. So, diha mi na-develop kay we would go out of town, mag-talk me.
And we started,
Gikilig
attorney,
ko. Oh.
we started out, dating na tea time and conversation.
Mga innocent activities.
Of course, wholesome.
Yes.
It was very wholesome.
And in a group.
And no, there were times na I would ask the facility na, hey, can I talk to her? Can we just have tea? Sa labas lang ng center. Kasi 2 weeks, 2 weeks na lang, graduate na ako sa rehabilitation facility. And we would have morning tea time. I would pick her brain, she would pick mine. Siguro naman, we all know that Jamie naman is a very smart woman.
Of course.
So, siguro naman may nakita rin siya na kahit na may mga sabihin nating liki or may mga character defects, she saw way past or way through the stigma na Baron is an addict or Baron is bipolar. We just developed this certain connection na we are two broken individuals that happen to have that time to connect. And I believe that it was not an accident. It was orchestrated by God.
Wow.
That's how I
Kahilak mo.
that's the truth. There were people, to tell you honestly, na sinasabi na parang, Baron, don't go for Jamie. She has 2 kids na. You can get better. You have, may maraming God's best dyan, pero pinaglaban ko.
Yeah.
Pinaglaban ko even sa congregation na, for me, I believe that she is my God's best. Why? I was a nobody when I met her.
Yes.
I had nothing to offer her except true love and it's way past lust. It's this certain connection that I felt that I was at home and I fell in love with her heart, her spirit, and her mind. So at that time pa hindi pa siya Christian, no?
Oh, yes.
na ano pa siya, parang ano ba itong weirdong nagtataas ng mga kamay.
Nahihiya pa siya.
Nahihiya pa. But I think that's one of the best gifts then that God parang used me, as a channel to guys, not to convert, just to make things clear.
Yes.
But to introduce her to the Word of God,
Yes.
the Holy Bible, the Scripture, and how to live a holy life. So, ang galing, no? Two broken human beings,
Yeah, God is amazing.
Amen.
sama kami.
Wow.
Very inspiring, no?
Yeah.
Very inspiring. Tapos it was very clear for me as also a counselor na it's not really a case of transference or that, no, Jamie, in our practice. I'm also a trained in psychology, so you know that. So it's very clear. There is two people, maybe broken, but complementing each other in terms of really providing love. So very inspiring, and God really orchestrates this thing to happen.
Speechless.
May I just say something lang?
Yes.
Kasi, siyempre, before, di ba, artista po ako. Mga nakadate ko, maraming artista. There are, those model types. Yung akin lang, my past relationships were so superficial.
Shallow.
Very superficial and shallow. Kaya pala, I've been fleeting from one relationship to another. Dahil siguro, nakahanap ako ng katapat.
Yes.
And Jamie does not, she's the type of, at that time, girlfriend, now wife, who will not condone my bad behavior or tantrums or character defects, no? So that's what I like about her. Hindi tulad yung iba, I love you because you're Baron Geisler. She loved me for me.
Yes.
Yeah. So I hope so. Yeah. So hilak na
Hilak na siya. Nahilak too. And buhok ni Jamie ang haba
Oo,
na.
natatapakan na.
Pero I really know, Baron, that when you met Jamie, you were at your rock bottom.
Yes.
And she was there. She knows you. Tapos, all along, she stood by you. That's why I said yung corona ko, i-transfer ko na sa kanya.
May I add lang, I really want to thank, grab this opportunity to thank Attorney Jan Paulino and Attorney Bayod, because when I was in rock bottom, just to survive, we would come to Digos, go to schools, and Attorney Jan would invite me to do symposiums, to talk to the youth, and it somehow helped me build that certain character and confidence, and helped me rin somehow financially. And thank you so much, Attorney. And now, me and Jamie can stand on our own now by God's grace.
Yes.
We are so grateful. We praise Him for all these blessings.
So I'm so happy that I am sharing your story with the people, because we know your story, but the people will hear for the first time how God has changed both of you. I'm so happy, I'm so proud, and I'm teary-eyed because Jamie is teary-eyed. I'm just so proud of you, So thank you so much. Mga Pangga, we will come back, and I know you're more excited than me to hear more from Baron and Jamie. We will come back. We will be right back.
Welcome back mga Pangga sa atong pagbalik karon na itong misgutan na po with our guest. Kaganina, if you listen carefully, it's very nice ang mga story in terms of how God works sa kind of love na the good thing about it, nakita na ko katong way beyond last ang ingon ni Baron na of course he met a lot of people pero naagid ba ang gilaan sa kinabuhi, gilaan yun si Jamie Saya. So you guys, how did you para sa inyo unsa ka importante ning communication? And I would like to add siguro kung what is communication for you, no, as a couple, and if this is the definition of your communication, how do you practice this kind of communication as a couple?
With regard to communication, that's one of our challenges, especially when we're fighting, na may conflict. Because si Baron, he's very confrontational. Ganahan siya na, storyaan dayo na mo. And I'm the type who needs space. Kaya ako, once magratatat lang ko, I don't want na makahurt ko niya. He's very sensitive. So, we talked about it. And I'm not being preachy ha, pero naka-help good na mo na naami discipleship group. Because we learn from older couples and also other couples who go through the same challenges ba. So,
yeah, and sometimes what I've learned is kay Jamie through experiences, sometimes no communication first is good muna. Space. Kasi if you let the anger take over, then talaga, magkakasakitan. And once na may power of the tongue ba, once you say something, you can never take that back away. And I'm the kind of guy, when I get mad, I am confrontational, but I do not say mean words. Jamie is a lady. No? Bubukuhin na kita.
Okay, fine.
Kagabi lang, I was having problems with legal problems. May kinakasuhan po ako. And I was very, passionate about it sa text. And then she looked at me, nasobrahan ka na naman kape. Blah, 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 bugo ka.
Hindi mo ba niyo?
Hindi nga na pwedeng yan. Parang, she knows that I have an issue when it comes to pag tinawag akong tanga or bogo. Pero, sige lang. Alam kong, niya lang yan. Parang, she's trying to challenge me ba to overcome these things na hindi ako binibaby. Kasi, alam niya kasi, I grew up na nakalatag lahat. Binibaby ako ng lahat. Mula sa girlfriend, sa parents, sa mga kapatid, and sa friends. So she's, by doing that, yung binigyan ako ni God ng wisdom na, okay, ito pala yun. Step back muna ako. She's just making me stronger pala. As a human being. But there are times that, to tell you honestly, I would want her to comfort me. I don't need her to baby me, but just maybe a hug. There are times.
Hug.
Yung mga ganun lang. And for men naman, it's okay. It's okay to be vulnerable, boys. It's okay to masyadong magpakamacho kasi partnership ang relationship, especially for younger couples, no, na okay, given the opportunity na to show your manhood or leadership, there are times you have to be open and you have to step back and respect your wife's opinion pa rin. But you've also got to lead by example para respetuhin ka rin magbalik ng asawa mo.
Wow! Mga televiewers, tell your significant others, inyong mga bana, mga boyfriend, mga igsoon to tune in and listen to the sound advices of this Christian couple, no? Maka-proud ka ay maminaw kay Baron na I'm learning so much from you, Baron. And Wow!
Parang first time lang interview.
God, praise God.
Praise God, no? Ang ilang gina-refer na discipleship group ka na ilahang CCF. And I know that you have learned so much. From the 1 year that we have not seen each other, so much has happened. Because when we were still in Manila together at Bonifacio, the fort,
Yes.
we have problem with Jamie not opening or not joining us in prayer because she was so shy. Maulaw si Jamie na mag-pray na verbally, but now in her own way, Jamie is sharing the goodness of God. Kanang little by little ba nga makita na ako na glory to God, the way Jamie expresses herself, and I'm really so proud of that.
I'm proud din na every Sunday, si Jamie na gumigising sa akin. Uy, service na.
Wow.
Gising na. So,
Hilak na pud ka, malibog na pud ko sa ko isulti.
so, kung tutusin, parang strong relationship namin kay God, pero yung ginamit ako ni God to strengthen her faith.
Yes.
And for me, mas grabe pa yung on fire si Jamie.
Yes. Yeah, I can attest to that, Doc, kay maulawon man ni si Jamie. So when we would pray with Baron in the morning, Baron would say, "Oh, Jamie, ikaw na pud mag-lead. Say something." And si Jamie, "Unya na, dili pa ko ready." But now, when we talked yesterday and the other night, Jamie is so proud of her faith and what God has done to them. Makahilak na sad ka. So, mangutana ko ni mo, Jay, no? Nabay mga, I call her Jay. So, nabay mga butanga, you feel that Baron is not so open with you. Naba kay na-feel nga mga instance nga, napa siya yung mga ginatago, dili pa na mao ang Baron nga imong nailhan?
Si Baron, it's the opposite. Siya mo'y, kuhan yung kay siya nako, he's very open. There are just times na he gets too preoccupied and we know man na he's taking his medication, ingani-ingana, daghan sad siya ginahuna. And grabe ang pressure even sa work. So sometimes he forgets to tell me things. And then later on makinumdum siya, sorry, I forgot to tell you this, that. Ako sad, it's okay bro, next time ikuan kay ako magod. I was a very controlling person.
Yes.
So, ita mo man na atong nature mo, sad na atong defect. But eventually, I learned to accept him as he is. And then, if nagi siya batasan or kanang gibuhat na di na ako makuha, ako na i-let go. And let God.
Wow. Na yung mga topics ba, Jay, nga dili gusto ni Baron i-discuss? Na ba yung mga sensitive topics na, okay, let's not talk about it, kaya maliki na pod or masapot siya?
It's the other way around. I tell her, Jamie, let's not sleep na ganito pakiramdam natin. It's in the Bible. May mga tao lang tayo. May mga times na she's just like, manunod na ako ng K-drama o Netflix. Doon siya hihilak. Imbis na kausapin ako, parang sabi ko nga kagabi, buti pa yung pinapanood mo sa Netflix. Naaawa ka sa lalaki o sa mana nung ano. Pero ako, hindi mo naman ako kinakausap. May mga ganun pagkakataon. Nobody's perfect. Walang perfect na ano ba. But that really pisses me off ba? Na parang, why use a gadget? I'm your Bana here waiting for you to talk to me. If you have a problem with me, if you have something to clear with me, then please let me, talk to me.
And we are open to sharing this, our life, our story, kay bisag sometimes, ako siya yung istorya ka na
too much information.
So, para na pumagod, it's for all, the viewers also to see na we're not a perfect couple. Dili na pang showbiz amo ba. And we are still going through these challenges.
And
every day.
May I add lang, in the beginning pa naman, already we were already an unconventional family to begin with. Diba?
So nanay stigma.
She has
Another
2 kids of
stigma.
her own. I have 2 girls of my own, and we have ours, si Talita. So it's funny, no, na parang, I bet there are a lot of couples na ganyan. Some are not married, some are afraid to commit. But, with God's grace, in the middle of our relationship, our family, He makes it work for us. And that's where I get strength also and wisdom on how to protect, provide, and keep my family. Because back in the day, I would just like say, bahala na kayo. Ako si walkout king. Alam ni Jamie yan. I will walk out from my responsibilities. But now, I'm on the phone. Kanina lang, nasa optical ako, texting my business partners. There are times that it takes too much of my time. And I justify it. I don't know if it's wrong or right. I justify it na, well, I'm working for the family. There are times that I feel guilty. And questioning myself, asking God, is this wrong? But I am providing. I am doing this for my family. And then I realized something last night when nag-Bible study ako with my group, D group na mga men. I realized that I'm still a man of pride. I have I always think na, okay, this business is for the family. Minsan nalilihis because nun pala, meron what's in it for me na if I get this deal, I get to have a motorcycle or, okay, I want to buy this house, but I want it with a pool. It may thin line of greediness that comes in, especially when blessings pour out, coming from God. Nakakalimutan ko na I'm just a steward.
Yeah.
I'm just a manager ni God and servant ni God. Kung saan niya, parable of the talents, di ba? So, that's what I'm working on now na parang, okay, with His blessings, I think I should just hinay-hinay lang. Huwag akong magpadala sa mga bulong ng tao o bulong ng demonyo. For me, I just need to stick with our community, the Christian community, the men and the women, our brothers and sisters, also to read the Word.
And I think that's also my purpose, no? That's where I stepped in his life. Like, I always remind him to keep grounded and steer him to the right direction. Kay namang times na, especially if you're a celebrity, daghan kay mo doon niya. We don't know ba if they have his best interest. So, diha sad ko mo, niya, remind lang niya ba na take it slow. Kay he tends to be too impulsive. Maybe it comes also with the illness. Ang kanang impulsive kaayo.
Nagpapadala ako sa tama ba? Kasi meron ng something nangyayari dahil sa alcohol So, minsan, parang yung delusion, bumabalik pa rin. Na parang hindi pa nga namumunga ang puno. Nakikita ko na punong-puno na ng star apple or apples. So, I think in a relationship with God, everyone, family, patience is truly a virtue. Patience, love, forgiveness, compassion. Tuloy pa tayo. And understanding. And eventually, wisdom will just kumbaga, God will just give me all these gifts. Spiritual gifts.
So very inspiring kayo, no? Those who do not know Baron, now you hear him talk about his faith and his personal relationship with God. Now, Baron, going back to the mental illness that you have been battling for a long time but now have conquered. May I ask you, Baron, na unsay difference, Bisaya ko kay Baron, pero Bisaya si Baron. Unsay difference sa imong coping with anxiety before nga wala si Jamie ug karon nga naa si Jamie?
Jamie, aside from Jesus, is my rock.
Next to Jesus.
Next to Jesus, because without her, I don't know where I'll be right now. I wouldn't be here siguro in front of you guys. So, talagang simula nung sinabi ko kanina, di ba? She's God's best. Nakahanap ako ng katapat. And I navigate, but I listen pa rin to Jamie. Happy wife, happy life. And alam mo, I don't know, this is a different topic. I don't know if it's gonna be off topic, but as we mature in our relationship as husband and wife, I get scared. Like, about, I have thoughts, no? I don't want Jamie to die. I've never felt that before with anyone in, like, naka 3-year relationship pa we. Parang for me, it's all fun. But now, I'm thinking,
What if Jamie will
yeah,
die?
what if, I think that's a normal thing, no?
Yes.
Then when I look at her sleeping, hindi nilang alam na, tinitingnan ko siya parang, Lord, sana yung high blood niya mawala, no? Or sana hindi na siya masyadong kumain ng maalat at uminom siya ng maraming tubig. Kasi sabi ko, she's my rock. If I lose her,
Yeah.
it's gonna be hard. So, you know, I pray every day na sana health is wealth pa rin.
Parang
sana all.
Yeah, parang Baron ba, parang you were so restless, tapos when
Yes.
you met Jamie, parang you found a resting place. Parang St.
I
Augustine
found my
ba? Yung
peace.
ganun.
I
So,
found my home.
this time, how did you, kasi you said na parang takot ka, no? It's normal, takot ka mawala. So, I think it's not really about codependent relationship, pero in terms of how did you pursue and nurture that quality time to be together as a couple?
We're always together. So, I think Jamie na lang is the best. Would be the best to answer this question.
So, example, what are the activities that you share as a couple para
Yes.
you continue the band?
Yeah. For me and Baron, nakasuway man gud mi last year na he was stranded in Manila. Katong pag-pandemic ba, he had to go there for work to do a movie or
Tapos na
sign a
lockdown.
contract. Naabtan siya sa lockdown. And then our baby was just, I think, a month old. So nga to sa ni grabe po, ni balik yung depression, yung anxiety. So when he got back after 5 months, no, of being in Manila, murag kami, cherish me sa time na we're together, and even kani mga moments na ingani na like for work na kuyugan ako siya. For us, that's bonding na namo. And simple things, it doesn't have to be kana mga date, diri, di man ingana mong quality time. It's more like conversation, talking, sharing, talking about our dreams.
And our kids.
Very nice, especially
And one more day, sir, ako iadha na nindot sad na makaband yun na mo is prayer. Not to be preachy ha, pero
Yeah.
nausab gyud ko and nakuan kay because of him.
Yes.
Yes, very good, no? Ang prayer mo naglupod sa inyong relationship. Baron, you mentioned ka ganina ba nga nag-pray ka and you use verbalize it ganina niyong ka nga unta ang mawala ang high blood niya, dili na siya mukaon mo. So how important for you is self-care and how do you practice that?
Self-care is very important, sir, for everyone, in accordance to mental health also. If you eat healthy, if you eat well, drink lots of water. I remind Jamie to drink lots of water every day. It's very important because if you stay healthy, eat well, then you feel happy. You feel less stressed, less worried, and you get to decide. And you get to hear rather than keep on talking about. I get to experience just being in the now. You know, just cherishing what we have here. Or me and Jamie tried this app. It's called Waking Up app. It's about mindfulness meditation. But since hindi siya godly, I went to another godly meditation. It's called Abide. You can get it anywhere sa YouTube. And puro siya
Words of
scripture siya. Scriptures,
Bible-based.
God's promises, ganyan. And I'm being mindful of that because mindfulness teaches me to stay grounded, to care more about other people's feelings, it awakens my compassion. That's why I do that daily or nightly meditation. It's part of my structure so that I can be able to function as a normal human being here in society. Because it's hard for an addict, alcoholic, bipolar, like to function. There are times that I don't want to go out. On a board meeting or something, Jamie will tell me, Baron, just show up. Ito damit mo. I'll show up. True enough. After showing up, I'm like, Jamie, thanks so much. I really had a good day. Ang saya, may natutunan pa ako sa mga friends ko, ganito, ganyan. So it's just a matter of showing up. Depressed, it's okay not to feel okay, not to be okay. But for me, sa sarili ko experience, I'll talk for myself, no? I'll speak for myself. Just by showing up and accepting life on life's terms and being aware, no? Which is the most important thing in the world. To be aware is to be alive, ika nga eh. Being aware that you're feeling this way and you're not in denial of how you feel, then that's okay. Because this too shall pass. The bad feelings, the doubts, the self-doubt, the negative self-talk, the paranoia, the hate, the everything. What I do is I step back, I pray, then move forward. And then I say, Lord, ikaw nang bahala. And miraculously, God's grace falls abundantly. No? And I feel anointed lang, illuminated by the Holy Spirit, and boom, He gives me power and strength.
Amen.
Praise God.
Well, speechless, mesmerized na about God's goodness. Of course, all glory belongs to God.
Yes.
Now, Jay, every day we are facing stress, no? Stressful magid ang life. But your case is siguro more because you're an ordinary person, then you have to be introduced to the world of the celebrities. Na-stress ka na?
Not very much because when I met Baron, I already accepted him for who he was. When I met him even, murag, wala na to siya gana mo showbiz. But I pushed him na, it's your talent. Hinatanas Ginoo. So I encourage him to kanang do his job kasi he does it well. And if nasad siya yung mga ventures that he wants to learn, sometimes siya hesitation na, wala mo magkuhibawaan ani, negosyo like that. So I tell him na it's never too late for us to start, to learn. And thankfully, Ginoo magpadasag people we meet who help us. And sometimes agihapoy doubt na paranoia, but I think it's part of it. And stress, speaking of stress, part magina sa tong kinabuhi, no? Kanang di na mawa. So it's just how we deal with the stress. ang atong i-learn. Like, for us, maybe some people think ba na, ay, dato kay na sila may nasa pagkabutang, but pag pandemic, naglisod sad me. And kung kuan yan, financial, kay we have a baby, man God, so murag mas challenging ba. So, si Baron, magsige na siya, encourage na ako na, maganitay kuan sa una, but nagi maabot na grasya or mo provide yun si God. So,
may I add lang talaga one thing. It's very important to know the love language of your partner.
Yes.
It is a process, no, to really accept, understand, kasi maaaring iba yung love language niyo po sa asawa niyo, and you want that from her, pero hindi mo makuha. So there's a work around it. You can work around it. But I think when you sit down, me and Jamie, I told her my love language is parang babae ba? Verbal.
Bye, babae.
Babae ba? Just tell me that, you can do
You
it.
want to hear it.
I want to hear things. I want to hear things. It keeps me going. Pag quiet, parang, bakit pa tayo nag-asawa kung hindi mo ako ipupush? Diba? Lalo na sa pag mababa nasa,
At your lowest of lows.
And then, ang love language kasi ni Jamie, she's a doer.
Service.
Yes, I agree.
More than a talker. I hope she can be both.
It's never too late to learn, Jamie.
Yeah, I'm learning. Actually, I'm learning.
So, Jamie, may I ask you, kung sa imong advice sa atong mga televiewers, mga pangga nato diya nga naminaw, wala sila'y partner nga na ay mental disorders. So, what advice can you give?
Kaluoy.
Yes, I think daghan kaayo women who are having the same challenge as I am, or naka-experience pud ba. But what I would advise is that if you love the person, may it be romantic relationship or amigo nimo, maybe family member, it would be good to educate yourself so that you would understand unsay giagian sa tao. Because if you're educated on their illness, unsa na ilahang sakit, you will know how to address or you will know how to deal with them. And ikaw sad sa imong self, dili ka ma-burnout ba na? Uy, gibuhat naman ako tanan, wala gyud siya nausab, wala gyud yan. Dili, it's not like that.
Self-care.
We cannot, you have to love yourself, and then you also have to, don't make it your responsibility to change the person. Ako ra gyud na siyang gilift ni God kay Lord. Ko like say more ko mapuno na ko na di na nako kaya. Dili, I did my part na ba para na ko ingon ana. So,
pero ang pinakamaganda, at least, wala kaming problema sa change oil.
yeah, wala na problem. So, mo lang na. And for anyone, not just women, but it can be a parent, sad kana mga struggling with their children, ayong katawa, and or their loved ones. Kuan lang ka ng don't hesitate to ask for professional help, especially if you're really confused on how to deal with it. Because sometimes, murag imbis, ang imong partner na illness, murag ikaw, murag mas nananon kay illness, makafeel kag mas buang ka mong kuan niya. Uy, not to, the word ha, pero ingana ba? So, seek for professional help.
Daghan na gyud kayo inyong mga na-share, no, pero talagsara man gyud mo maanhin, no, nya we really take this opportunity, especially sa atong mga viewers diya, mga pangga na to really learn more, no, kung saka pag yun inyong ma-share as a part of your parting words or message sa atong mga viewers nga naminaw.
Ako lang first. Hindi ikaw na. Parting words for me is that let's be more compassionate towards one another. No? Kanang tao ra pud ta, masakitan ta. So, let's just be more kind and more compassionate to other people before ta mo judge na ay man na siya ni patol ana or man siya kanang nailiki. So dili lang, we have to, it's so easy man good to judge, pero it's better coming baro namang kuan, it's better to understand than to be understood.
And I'll add lang din na to all the suffering addicts, alcoholics, people who are depressed, you are not alone. There is a solution. If you are afraid, it is normal. But please, I urge you to bring it to the light. Ask help from your friends, family. If you're afraid na malaman ng family nyo, there are hotlines out there. You can search on the internet. There's hope and there is help just waiting around the corner. And you are loved, unique. You just don't know that. It will come. Suffering is there. It's real. But that's part of life. But eventually, we will learn. As struggling alcoholics or addicts, we will slowly learn to love ourselves and get out of this head of ours, the selfishness, the insecurities, the hate. And then, after that, boom, a spiritual awakening coming from the Lord will just hit your heart and your mind, and it will touch you. So, I'll be praying for all of these people who are sick, praying with you now. Let's fight the stigma. Let's do this together. Love one another. I have a saying, one act of kindness a day takes the doctor away. God bless. And you.
Wow. I'm so inspired, Bara, no? I always look up to you, pero karon ni samot pagyod, because I'm so amazed at God's work in your life. Before ta mag-end, I would like you to promote your upcoming shows and your clothing line.
Yes, thank you very much, Attorney. Yan ang blessings ni Lord. Pag nagpakabait, binibigyan ng wisdom, nawawala ang selfishness kahit pa paano. So, na-bless po ako ni God. Una, gusto kong magpasalamat sa inyo, Attorney Bayod and Attorney Jen, for this opportunity sa lahat po ng viewers natin. Sa lahat ng mga nanood ng Tililing, it is also about mental health awareness. Mapapanood niyo po ito sa Viva Max. Mag-apply lang po kayo, napakadali. And abangan niyo pa po ang mga pelikula ko sa Viva Max, at meron din po akong lalabas na teleserye sa TV5 po very soon. So, pagdasal din po natin ang mga tao ngayon, lalo na sa Manila, sobrang taas po ng COVID cases. So please, if we join forces, prayer is very powerful. So, yun lang. Sa clothing company naman namin ni Jamie, it's called Bungo Clothing Company. Mabibili nyo po ito sa Lazada, Shopee, at magagamit nyo rin po ang mga Leica Gems ninyo sa pagbili nyo. Yun po, maraming salamat.
Thank you so much. No words are enough to explain how grateful I am that you are here. Kaya ang inyong words of wisdom will really encourage the people of Davao del Sur. Diba? Dili, all in one, dili lang about mental health awareness, but about how to have a good relationship with your spouse, and also how to have a relationship with God. So amazing.
Thank you so much sa inyo ha, sa mga viewers, basig daghan ang client mo to sa kadili ko, attorney ha. Pero basin o basig isa sa no because I started
First year,
studying so
lost
basig
enough.
mo balik ko no. Thank you so much Baron, salamat kayo. Nice right, salamat kayo. Basig nindot tong mensahe no nga magpadayon ko.
Magpadayon.
Basig posible ko
Pero
ma-attorney
di
pa.
ba nagtuturo rin po kayo sa Koresu?
Yes.
So sorry, I assumed kasi...
Nice right. Walang problema. Thank you so much. So salamat yun sa inyong panahon. Naka-learn po ko no, as a husband, as a father. So daghan po kong na-learn. So thank you.
So, mga pangga, we will be right back with our next segment. And this time, we will be having as our guest si Direk, DJ, and the wife, Rosie, to talk about the financial challenges as a couple, especially during the pandemic. So, we will be right back.
Welcome back sa State of Mind, mga pangga.
Yes, welcome to the second part of our program. And this time, help me welcome a very exceptional couple. Nganong exceptional man? Aduol po ni sa among kasing-kasing. Siyempre, walay dapig-dapig among director o ang iyang very beautiful wife na mo'y guest nato last episode, sa second episode. So, they will discuss about the financial aspects of the relationship sa mag-asawa. Especially kung ang isa sa pilaha na ay mental illness or mental disorder. Good afternoon, Direk.
Good afternoon, attorney.
Good afternoon, Rosie.
Yes.
Again, no? Good
Yeah.
afternoon. Nakita na sadta.
Ang atong guest karon is a trainer sa financial literacy and katong naga-develop ito sa entrepreneurial mindset sa mga tao. So is a young entrepreneur and also helping other people to become entrepreneur. So si DJ o si Rosie, maayong hapon o welcome sa inyo.
Yeah.
Mayong hapon. And thank you so much no sa inyong willingness to be open and to share to the people ang kanang financial aspects sa relationship. Dili man kay taganahan magstorya kwarta. I mean, kita tanan dili ta comfortable to talk about money, especially kung atong istoryahan wala tay money. Tama ba to? So, mag-start na ta sa itong mga pangutana, Dok.
Game?
Siguro sa money and because you are into relationship, so pwede siguro sugdan yun sa ninyo, how did your love story start?
You know.
Ikaw dyan na, babe.
One of the most exciting questions. So, first and foremost, gusto ko lang magpakilala. Isa ako sa director dito sa The State of Mind. And then, I'm DJ Lopez, and together with me, my wife. We've been together for 7 years. And pakilala ka konti.
Okay, so ako si Rosie, ako ang pinitik sa iyang kasing-kasing.
You know.
Nagkailami sulod sa among company sa AIM Global. So I've been in that company even until now for 11 years. So 8 years ago, nag-met nami kay sila mga baguhan ba kay if you don't know, so atong nga time is lang siya 18 years old, then ako kay 30s.
Yeah.
Then nakoy duha ka anak, then single mom. Ako gyud ang nagatudlo og kanang financial literacy. Kumbaga ako nagatudlo sa akon kay gikan pud sa kawad-on. So unsaon nga unsa pagbuhat sa business, unsay mga dapat buhaton, unsay mga angay baguhon sa tuang pagkataon para ang kwarta ba, ang pangwarta mo come in sa tuang life. So in short, siya ako ang gimentoran, ako'y nag-mentor. Nya karon nag-uban nami. Okay naman ang love story.
Maayo kay pagka-mentor. So, kami nga kauban ninyo sa State of Mind, no, we had the opportunity to know you and to hear your love story. Pero please share po sa atong mga televiewers, sa atong mga pangga nga naminaw karon, unsay mga challenges nga inyong naagian og na-conquer. Di ba? Love wins man. So, unsang mga challenges na inyong na-conquer as a couple?
Actually, daghan og mga challenges, no? And ako kasi is dati ko nga estudyante before kami nagkaila. And isa ako sa dropout student na IT akong course. And then, yun nga, yung sabi niya is, nangita kong mentor. Dili lang sa business, kundi about life, personal development, paano na ko ma-bring out ang confidence sa kuha. Okay, kasi isa ko ka-ulawon. And then, nagkailam mi, and then, gimentoran ko niya. And, ako ang...
Nakatuon man po.
Nakatuon ko.
Nakatuon ka sa ako paghiguma.
You know? And at the same time, habang kumbaga, na-create ang, kumbaga, love sa usag-usa. And then, niabot sa point na nag-uban na gid mi. Ana. And daghan og challenges. So, kung may tag challenges, pertig yung daghana.
But,
To be specific, sa amo ang age gap pa lang daan.
challenge na daan.
Challenge sa daan to. Kasi 11 years among gap. Good. So, daghan og mga baga naga-prejudge na mi sa mga tao. Bisan nagtanaw lang ang tao sa mua, that time kasi na-overcome na namo na karon. So, isa na sa mong challenge na na-overcome na nag-prejudge na mi, uy, murag lain lagi siya tinanawat. Ngama. Siya, medyo mulikay na siya. Pero, sa kuha na part, sabi ko, sa may pakialam nila. Tama. So, daghan og mga, and maybe si Rose na maad regarding sa itong mga,
Basta di na siya kadugang, ipasag yun na niya sa quarter niyo. So, yes, pinaka-challenge nag-start yun is sa physical. Kasi, mamag yung unang makita sa tao nga, ala siya kanang nana siya anak duha laylay pagidug amahan tapos ang iyang gibana karon kay batan-on so unsa siya tapos ang sa iya hapon kay kanang para taray tuyuan na ana ba no kay siyempre ako stable na build na ko yung mga achievements so diya sa physical nga aspeto naanagid mi challenge so sa iya dili kaayo kay na siya ba nga wala ko'y pakialam kay ako maning life, ako maning choices. Pero sa ako, na ko'y pakialam kay na ko'y imahi nga giampingan. No, for many years sa pag-build na ko sa kong self, na ko'y imahi nga giampingan niya. Karon mabungkag lang tungod aning pitik sa gugma. So, another na kanang challenge pod sa amo is social life kay siya, as I said, wala gini siya pakialam sa uban nang love ko niya uban mi mo na ang gusto pero ako kay maulaw naman ko no dili ko makig meet up sa mga people actually ni stop gani ko og talk ni stop ko og kanang naging speaker man ko so ni stop ko kay maulaw ko ba nga basin og nagatindog ko sa stage kanang ginahusgahan ako nila then third is emotional kasi naman jud ko'y depression and na ako'y worry nga part nga dili ko niya masabtan kay bata pagod siya nya ako kay mas idaran jud ko sa iya so basin og kanang or dili gid basin actually naagian gid namo gi-workout gid namo ang challenges sa amo ang dia sa emotional part kay siya mas taas siya pasensya kumpara sa kuha naka-relate gani ko kaganiha sa sharing pod ni Baron no og sa iyang misis nga wow naagid ay kanang pasahanan og corona no sa amo siya monumento no kay grabe gyud kayo ang iyang pasensya sa ako inig kanang nana ko sa ako ang kanang ting topak may tawag ana gyud no ting labi nagway kwarta na ting sapak man gina sa mga asawa or ako mismo then spiritual importante jud kay ang spiritual pero niagi gyud mig challenge ana kay pag start sa mong relationship laylay mig denomination so laylay mig simbahan so ihatod ko niya daan sa mga simbahan pag human dito malargo siya sa iyang simbahan pag hapito na po niya pauli. So diha pa lang pagsugod daghan jud kay mi og challenge. Pero good thing lang sa iya never siya nag-stop nga i-pray jud ko kada gabi. I still remember tung nag-start mi sa mong relationship niya maghila ko ini kagabi. Iya ko ilay hands. Unya kay di man jud ko ana danang lay hands attorney. Kay feeling ako unsa ko kanang nayawa ana jud ko nasapian ako sa imo hunahuna nya. Kuya jud na siya maglay hands ako kana mura gihawas ang datang espiritu sa ko nya gilabay dito sa pinakalayo nga bahin sa earth ba na. Pero at first kanang lainan ko nya hangtod nga kanang pangitaon na nako ang iyang ginabuhat sa ako ang iya akong ginapray until such time nag-decide ni okay so mangita ta og place or simbahan nga dawaton ta na walay paghuhusga sa atoa so siya gi-suggest, and dito mi nag-grow sa amo ang spiritual life. Nga mao pud to siya nakatabang gid sa amo ang sa na mo i-overcome ang mga challenges pa nga amo abot. And ang pinaka-challenging part is ang financial, no? So naapod mi experience gyud sa finances nga kanang ups and down ba kay syempre ako gikan sa dagko kay kog income na nakoy balay na ako'y sakyanan na ako'y kondo okay kay akong life tapos katong naging kami na biglang unti-unti nawala ang tanan ba tapos kana gumura kog nag-reset sa akong life again nga nag-start na ka sa wala na naging ingon anak na ka tapos karon mo start na pud ka og balik pero ang message man gud sa Ginoo sa ako is let go, let God.
Nindot kay Rose, dirita sa financial kay kasagaran magud nga problema sa couple, especially sa kadaghang challenge number 1 gining financial, ang uban mag-away, ang worst gani magbulag pag ginang uban, no? So kamo as a couple, gyud sa ninyo pag deal ni nga mga challenges?
Actually, sa amoa, personally, no, grabe gud ang, kumbaga, ang turnout ba sa amoang life kasi niabot ko sa iyahang life together sa iyahang mga anak is, kumbaga, settle ba? Good. Pero, sa ko ato, wala kong nagtanaw ato nga side na settle siya, kompleto siya, ana. Wala. Kasi, at that time, lost po ko eh. Lost po ko. Kasi nga, akong ginikanan po is separate.
Broken, oo.
And then both of my parents, naapod sila kanya-kanya ng family. So, kibali bilang anak, duha mi, original, wala na may kabulo, asa mi. That time. So, nangita kong comfort, ana, and then nagpray jud ko sa Ginoo na, Lord, unta kani nga opportunity nga gihatag nimo sa kuha. Mag-grow ko niya. Tagai kog tama nga tao nga mag-guide sa kuha. And then here comes Rosie. Niabot sa akong life, right? So, she's a really big blessing para sa kuha. Okay, kasi nga gi-guide ko niya. Right? So, katong mga na-encounter na mo na ganito niya ganina na nag-pray ko sa iya kasi wala pag ko kasabot eh. Asa yung man, wala ko kasabot sa ng depression, unsa na mga, stress diha nga ginaagihan niya. And then, wala po ko kabalo jud sa iyang background at that time. So, anak ko, Lord, itugyan ako ni Simuha. Kasi, wala pa yung mabuhat, ani. And then, na ako eksakto sa sitwasyon. Anagod nga nag-uban mi. So, moto, ano na ko siya, i-pray. And then, niabot sa, anagod na point no nga, kumbaga, nagkasinat na rin namin doha. Right? So, and then, grabe gud ang struggle po na mo sa finances. Especially katong niabot ang time nga nag-decide ming duha na why not mag-decide ta og another business venture. And yun nga yung pag-introduce mo ganina is nagatudlo na mi. Pero ang reality gyud is ang majority sa ko ang ginatudlo ato that time is wala pa jud ako na experience.
Murag head knowledge.
Yes, head knowledge lang to siya nga gitudlo pud sa moha. Pero grabe gud ang turnout nga gihatag sa Ginoo sa moha. Gipa-experience na mo kasi kami na gina-training na mo is sa mga factors nga nung lisod mag-business. So daghan mga factors. And here comes nag-decide mi nga nagbalin pud mi sa Digos. Then start ta og new life.
Yes.
New business venture, and then nag-traditional business mi. And luckily, lucky ba yung matawag na to na, yes, it's a blessing pa rin na na-encounter ko na mo ang grabe na, grabe na acts of nature ba? Calamity na na-encounter na mo sa business na wala sa mong una-una nga mahitabo ni.
Wala man ta na prepare na maglinog siya October katulo then December katong 7 point
Yes, exactly.
then pag ita kabangon COVID na pod. By the way, no, salamat kaayo, nice kaayo ang inyong story, no, maka-inspire kaayo siya, and mga pangga paminaw mo kay sa relasyon importante pod ang financial aspect kung how to handle.
Yes.
Mangutan ako sa inyo ba, nabay time kay base mong story na stable na ka, may balay, condominium, sasakyan, and mentor pagid ka with respect to financial literacy. But did you experience personally na drain gid ka financially
Yes. Actually, even until now, napamiss sa stage of recovery. Kasi during the time na after sa linog, ang business namo, so nag-damage ang building, so gi-repair siya og 2 months. So nahuman ang repair end of February. So nag-istorya may nga babe mag-reopen ta by March 8. March 8. So, kay may confident jud kay nga ma-reopen kay kung man naman ang linog no unya kanang magita puno magitag paglaom nga bisan pag kapila ka mag-fall down bangon na jud kag again. Pero ang lisod lang sa mong part kay nag-reopen mi og March 8, nag-lockdown og March 16. So, meaning to say katong tanan namong kwarta gi-invest na mo sa isa ka business nya pagkahuman wala ni operate zero me. So pero padayon ang rent, padayon ang sweldo sa staff, padayon ang bayad sa bills, padayon ang kaon, pero bawal man gyud, wala man tay, we know, diri sa ato ang area, walay movement nga nahitabo.
Exactly.
Ni suol ako ang depression ato nga time kasi 3 months nga naara jud ko sa sulod sa balay. Dili ko makagawas kay wala man koy FM pass. Siya lang ang naa. Higpit kayo kay naka-try man mi nga ni gawas. Ko nga uban siya gisundan mi og pulis. So murag traumatic na inon sa ko ang mugawas. So 3 months wala jud ko ni gawas. Kato nang nag-breakdown ako, maghilak na ko ba kay kanang dili na gid nako maapas ang mga bayro nun. Dili na ko maapas ang mga bayro nun unya. Wala ko niya yes nag-aaway mi ha. Awayon mag-away jud mi kay unsa pa may atong next nga buhaton ani pero ang good thing lang kay katong isa ka business nga na build nako since 2010 until today, nag-earn to siya every month. So, mao to siya may nagapakaon jud sa amoa, naga-supply sa amo ang mga panginahanglan. And there comes a time nga kanang naglingkod jud mi istorya gid mi about ana ba na kanang balik ta when asa ta nag-start katong sa una nga nag-fall pud ta. Tong sa Davao pa mi nag-stay kay nag-down man pud mi dito tas nag-rise again ko. Balik ta sa ato nga time. Di ba ang mensahe sa Ginoo sa ato is ang panalangin sa Ginoo makadato. Dili makalupig ni ini ang kakugi. So anak ko, kugihan ka iko. Di ta mo diskarte sa kinabuhi. Pero ngano wala tag panalanginan. Kasi naay something wrong sa atong heart.
Very good kayo ang message ni mo, Rosie, no? Siguro we post for a short break kung sa atong pagbalik, atong paminahon ang atong guest couple, giunsa gyud nila pag labang ang mga financial challenges ug sa ilang gihimo na to be able to build up again and rise up from the challenge.
Yes.
So stay tuned mga pangga.
Welcome back mga pangga. And this time, padayon ta discuss with our celebrity couple. Ang atong guest karong hapuna. Mautan, na-mention man nimo ganina Rosie no na nag-aaway pod mo tungod sa financial problems. Can you elaborate more? Giunsa nyo pag-away, unsa gyud ang specific thing nga giawayan ug unsa nyo pag-resolve sa inyong conflict?
Magkatawa ko na ba kay di na sa awayan. Actually, mag-away mi ka nang maabot na ang due date.
Lagot yun si Judith.
So, pag maabot na ang due date, tapos
si
ako manggod is kanang naanad ko nga dili jud ko wala ko'y utang, naanad ko nga kanang ahead of time ko magbayad kasi mao mo gud ang training ako ang ginatudlo, mao pud akong ginabuhat sa ko ang life. So katong sukad naging kami na tas nag-traditional business mi kay naabtan mi sa ingon ani nga challenges nga mag-pile up gyud ang mga bills no tapos na moment nga makahulam ka sa og kwarta sa imong friends, so which is dili gyud nako na ginabuhat pero kanagong pabaga. Pero on the other hand, ginatudloan ko sa Ginoo nga kanagong magpaubos ka kay kanang sa unang panahon ikaw ang naa naging giver ka, though karon nga panahon nga ikaw ang nangidahanglan, ipakita pod nga it's okay to be humble, magpaubos ka para katong mga tawo nga natabangan nimo sa una magkaroon pod sila chance to help me back. So, katong mga friends or even mga igsuon ako no nga kanang nasa maayong kahimtang karon, naduulan jud nako sila. Kahulang ko kwarta kay duulaw kay isa kong part gyud actually nako isa ka igsuon na utangan ako dako tapos kanang gina ko ba nga ipadayon ba ko ni Lord dili niya. ang message man gid sa ako is humility. Nga learn jud ako na siya kay wa dili man jud ko humble. Kay ang ingon sa ako ang igsuon nga lalaki ana siya nga kanang sobraan naman ko ka strong te. Ano ba? Sobraan naman ko ka strong. So kailangan pud nato ba magpaubos nga okay na ako sa ako ang down moment karon and I badly need help.
So murag it's your time to help me.
Yes.
Diba?
Bangit ko.
Kaya I also believe no na when you give others a chance to help you, you also give others a chance to be blessed.
Yes.
Di ba? Kay usay dili murag hikawan nato sila sa blessing kay kana ay na kung tabangi kaya na ako ni siya, di ba?
Yes, mao na siya.
And same goes ako na-experience po na ako na. Kasi nga, akong mother is OFW. And actually, citizen na siya dito sa ibang bansa. And kumbaga, gikan paggamay na mo, hantod nag-18 ko, siya yung
Suporta.
Same goes akong father. So, niabot po ko sa point na kumbaga, nagkaroon ng conflicts diyan nga side ba, sa finances na kumbaga, kung may pakialam ninyo sa kuha, good. Ayaw na ko ninyo, kumbaga, ang ego na ko ba? Na, siguro na feeling na ko na kaya na nako. Good. Ayaw na. Pero, ang end point is, nahimong, kumbaga, na-broken ang relationship na mo, ato nga time. Pero karon
Na-restore.
Okay na, restore. Kasi, kumbaga, there is always a room for improvement ba? Nga, kumbaga, development and then deep understanding po sa kuang sarili. As ay, kumbaga, sa reality ba? About sa life. So, which is, dako kayong tabang ang acceptance good. And then, magpakumbaba ta.
Yes.
Sa ato ang, especially sa ato ang mga ginikanan. Good. Kasi dako og part ang parents na, kumbaga, kung lain inyo ang relationship sa inyong parents mo affect gina kung unsay mong present karon. Feeling nimo nganong naamay grabe na pagpaningkamot na mo Lord nganong sa man nga murag babag man kay na murag namay nag-ali sa among sa blessing imong ginahatag. So na-realize na mo when we talk to God na baga kailangan i-fix good ang relationship.
Yes, especially sa parents. No?
Sa parents.
I-add lang na ako kanang ani magud siya katong mga time nga challenge yung kay may financially muna mo ang naistoryahan ba ko babe unsa man gyud ang problema ako okay kay akong relasyon sa akong pamilya sa akong mama sa akong papa wala ako tanan akong kabug-aton nga gibati ako nang gihatag gyud sa Ginoo pero ngano man nga naikwarta mo sulod mula lang man og kanang muana lang sa kamot ba tas mo hanaw gud dayon which dili ko anad-ana nga walay mabilin sa ako ang palad kanang i-check mo daw ang imuhang heart. Then, at the same time, ako gud pud ang naga-push sa iyaha nga kanang dapat man gud good sa imuhang edad. Ginagay bisan og naguban na ta, bisan mas matured ko sa imuha, do happy ka kay ako'y nagatudlo sa imuha unsaon. Iba pa man gud ang kanang naay ginikanan nga mo guide along the way kay ang ginikanan man gud extension man gud nato na sa Ginoo. Kung how we treat our parents, it's how we treat God. Kumbaga, kung unsa atong pagtan-aw sa Ginoo, mao pud na dapat sa atong ginikanan. Bisan og kanang magkamali ang ato ang ginikanan no most of the time kay tao raman pud na sila. Wala man puy eskwelahan nga nagtudlo unsaon para mahimong perfect nga ginikanan.
Actually, Bible-based man na siya, biblical. Honor your father and your mother if you want to live a long and prosperous life. So, mao dyan ang akong huna-huna. Although, like karon po, na po'y challenge, kahit tigulang naman akong mama. So, mao lang akong ginahuna-hunaan. If you want to live a long and prosperous life, promise guna siya sa Bible. Diba?
Very, very inspiring kayo ba no nga gi-relate ninyo ang financial difficulty sa relationship, sa heart, relationship with parents, sa inyong concept of humility and acceptance. Siguro unsa inyong ikahatag pud nga mga mensahe sa atong mga especially mga couple nato nga naapoy mga financial challenges bitaw sa nga giagian karong panahon na.
For me or para sa mo is always know the weakness of your partner and the strength of your partner. So, ang the best na mahatag na ko na advice na kailangan sa imong partner, mabalaan nimo unsa iyang strength. Alright? And siya pud mismo mabalaan niya unsa pud akong strength. And then unsa yang weakness para kung weak siya diha nga part, magatabangan ako siya nga ma-lift up dira nga side. And same goes sa akong partner.
Yes.
Okay? So isa na sa pinaka greatest ingredient para mas mag-grow pag yun
Yes.
ang relationship.
Yes.
Oh, grabe kayo nga afternoon, no? Daghan kayong revelation. I've been married for almost 31 years, but I'm learning so many things sa atong episode karong hapunan, no? So, before ta mo proceed further, DJ, interested kayo ko, if you don't mind, ha? Siyempre, si ma'am, aside sa gwapa, na
Yeah.
sexy pa, a very accomplished
Sana.
woman, naka-feel ba kag insecurity sa imong wife? And kung na-feel man nimo sa imong diskarte na para ma-overcome nimo?
Yes, na-feel yun ako, no? Baga, dili lang kay na-feel, nakita pa yun ako. Ana good na in terms sa finances, able jud siya. And then, na-feel na ko na. Okay? As a human, na-feel na ko. Pero, sa kana na salamat lang pod sa Ginoo. And then sa training, and sa yapong pag-mentor sa ko, habang nag-start ni na dili ko or wala ko naga-deal. Nag-dwell diha ang na problem or insecurity sa kuha. Okay? So ang gibuhat nako is mas naging happy ko. Gi-choose nako nga maging happy para sa yaha.
Yes.
Okay? Kasi dili man nako mahatag pod ang support sa yaha kung dili ko happy siyang ginabuhat.
Correct.
Diba? So lisod kaayo na so na siya murag ko naman kanya ako, lalaki ra ba ko? Ingani ra akong diskarte. So, kailangan na dili ta ma-insecure or naman dyan na insecurities, no? Pero kailangan acceptance and then know how to convert that feeling into positive.
Very nice ang kuan mo DJ, no? Kanang ginatawag di ba nga you choose to be happy sa achievements, no?
Yes.
Instead of feeling so insecure niya murag anay mga siguro masuko na ang uban. You choose to be happy. So unsay mong ma-advise sa atong mga naminaw diri nga mga bana nga napoy ginang ginabati bitaw nga insecurity, especially kung ilang wife madiskarte sa finances niya na sila ang mas dakong kita. So unsay mong mahatag na mga mensahe or advice?
Ang advice nako, no, from my own experience, siguro kung ang imuhang partner karon in life, babae, lalaki, both may mga insecurities, no? Pero, siguro, kung kugihan siya or mas grabe ang pasok sa iyang finances or grabe ang diskarte, siguro, naalang kay wala na balaan sa iyang ginabuhat. Ana. So, ngano nga raman ako ang nipasok sa kuha. And ngano sa iya, ang ana man kadako. Kay nga naman, ako di ay, wala na ako nasabtan pa o wala pa na ako na-learn kung unsa ang iyahang ginabuhat karon. So, kailangan humble down, empty ni may muhang brain, empty your cup, para ma-internalize ni mo mga new learnings from your partner. Dili porket babae siya, nag-earn siya dinagko, dili na ka mamino, kay lalaki ko. No. Kailangan, i-learn ni mo, i-accept ni mo siya, humble down ka. Kasi, mas taas siya experience sa imuha. I-relate na ako sa mong situation. Mas dagan siya experience. So, kailangan ako i-learn. So, mas naging excited ko sa mong relationship kay daghan kog ma-learn sa iya, ha? Yan. And then, sa kuang self, subconsciously, habang nagasuyop ko sa mga knowledge nga gikan sa iya, ha? I know someday and one day, kini nga mga knowledge na akong na-receive from her, magamit na ako para mas maglambo pagyud mi. Ang among relasyon, among kinabuhi.
Yes.
Amazing kayo, no? Na-amazed ang mentor.
Yeah.
Sa iyang mentee. So, ayaw kayo pagka-mentor.
Pero, attorney, kabalo ko, move kita sa next question. Gusto lang ako i-add on, no? Kasi, ang role sa wife ba? Lisod sa ako mag-submit as a wife sa iya kasi younger siya. Pero believe it or not, first time sa ako ang tibuok kinabuhi sa pagpakigrelasyon. Gifeel gyud nako ang pagkaasawa nga nag-submit jud ko, nagpausog ko, napaubos ko regardless unsa kadako ako ang income o regardless unsa siya kabata. Kumbaga, pag start pa lang gid namo, nagpaubos jud ko. Do ako ang kwarta, kabalo siya. Umuni at ako ang kwarta, kabalo siya. Asa ang pasok, asa ang out, tanan. Walay tago ba? No? So even naabot sa point nga, karon gani wala ko gunit sa akong ATM na siya ha.
Wala ka.
No, kay gusto na ako itudlo sa iya nga okay, so mao ni ang pasok sa kwarta, mao ni ang mga bayro na nato. Gusto ko makabalo ka nga mao ni ang ako ang ginabuhat. Okay. Kuan man pareho man mi doer, pareho mi thinker. So pareho mi kung nakopya na niya ang ako ang pagkaako. In fact, na-develop pa niya more sa iyaha. Pero nahitabo na tanan because I submitted ba? Nagpaubos ko sa iyaha.
Biblical po, no?
Biblical siya. All blessings flow through the husband na makarelate po ko nga lisod kaayo siya at first because when you're a strong and independent woman and feeling nimo na I can live alone, so why should I submit? Pero yes, I realize na naging peaceful among life katuganing na-learn akong submit na sakit jud kaayo. Dili lisod i-submit na ano mo submit ko. Ako man ang dakong income at the time. Pero yes. So amazing kaayo ang inyuhang na-share mga
Yes,
makarelate.
thank you so much.
And actually to be honest with you, kanang mura gani nasanay na ko sa mong relationship na ingon ana mura gani okay kinahanglan day nato i-review dili ta maging complacent kampante i-review nato og i-absorb o i-apply nato ang what we learn from you now.
Yes.
Maski puno nami, gusto gyapon mi magdungag. Unsa may mga tips ninyo sa atong mga pangga para mas fruitful, mas peaceful ang ilahang relationship as a couple.
Okay, sa amo ha kanang pag-start man gyud gud namo ako is I've been too many relationship, many gyud no kay kuan man, daghan man. So pag-abot kay DJ, first namong gipag-aralan is ang love language. Kasi ang ato ang kasing-kasing di ay mura na siya tiyan. Nga kung dili nimo mapakaon, mapas mo pud na siya. That's when that time nga ang ato ang kasing-kasing mugahi, no? Kanang do unsa nimo sa akong mga past relationship nga bisag unsa na ko siya kahigugma di na mo jud ako makita na klase nga gugma. Kay wala day na feed ang ako ang heart sa kind of love nga ako ang gusto.
Kinahanglan nimo.
No? So mura siya ano ba, sa love languages, 5 man na siya kabuok, no? So mga viewers, gusto na ako nga, inyo hagin ang pag-aralan ang 5 love languages.
Yes.
So na-mention po na kaganihan ni Jamie, ni Baron. Sa amuan ni DJ, ang iyahang love language is words of affirmation. So gusto gina siya i-appreciate siya. Actually, kagabi ilang, kay nisulti na ko gamay ba nga kanang, ay pangit, nag-edit siya sa kanang, na siya i-edit, tapos, ko ay pangit siya. Ayaw lagi pag ingon og pangit, paabot lang gud nga mahuman kog edit. So, ko tay sa bago lang gani minahisgot sa 5 love languages, ay ana ko. Okay, nice na siya, babe. So gibawi na dayon nako kay possible man gud katulang walang kwentang gamay nga word nga imong nasulti ikaguba sa inyong tibuok adlaw. So ginabawi gid nako dayon nga okay, nice na ganahan ko ana. Ay gwapa kay ko gwapa kay nice kay pagkatrabaho ana. Then ako po, isa akong love language. Ikaw, tag-ana daw sa akong love language, babe.
Pinaka-love language yun ni Rose is quality time. So, wala siya pakialam kayo ng mga giving gifts or ganang makareceive siya gifts. Kasi, from the start, gitry na ko na maghatag ko gifts sa yaha. Bouquet, chocolate, wala effect. Mingon ako nga, gipalit pa na nimog sudan. Gipalit pa na nimog burger. Big Mac. Gipalit pa na nimo, busog pa ta. Tama. So, dito na na-realize, dili siya ni. So, second time na kong gibuhat is bouquet. Pero, ang bouquet, mga cash. So, wala gyapon sa iyaha. Kaya dapat daw gipalit, yun.
Bugas.
Alright, kidding aside.
Napakailaing gibuhat. So, nasa gibuhat pa kanang words of affirmation. Nag-love letter siya. Kanang, good morning, drink this. Kanang vitamins kunuhay. Mata na ko, inang ko sa mga vitamins. Wala, dili gyapon ko kilig ko.
Kaya gusto ka convert to cash.
Kaya ang gusto lang nako is kanang mag-sit down, mag-uban mi, mag-istorya mi,
Quality time.
Mao na siya sa amua, ang amuang love language. Then most food is kanang magunit mi kamot bisag way hinungdan.
Correct.
Kasi mura bag kanang init magugog lawas. Siya bugnaw og lawas.
Okay.
So every time nga magunit mi og kamot,
Na-neutralize.
so na siya comfort ba nga kanang Yes, power kay karon kinag holding hands me.
Okay,
Ana.
tama.
And ano pod, isa sa dako nga factor is kanang we don't share our bed with our children. Kasi ang amuang not because hang ulo bata pa inyo nang gipalahig tulog dili ingon ana. I've learned it man good nga ang mag-asawa dapat jud mag-uban kanunay. Kadako ang porsyento sa communication diha sulod sa inyong bed. So, we don't share our bed with our children. Amo lang gid na kami mag-uban most of the time. Na may time nga mauban ang mga bata no pero kanang kabalo gid sila nga gi-explain na pud na namo sa ilaha kasi I have to protect ako as babae. Ako kailangan akong protektahan ang amo relationship. Ang sa ako manggong kanang sa amo ang relasyon nakita na ko ba nga pag ako maging weak, paspas kay siya ma-weak. Paspas jud kay siya ma-weak. So, na-jay tendency, especially sa relationship ha, ayaw gid mo katingala kung ang inyuhang bana mangita naglain. Kay, naagay problema ana sa inyo ha, as a wife. Kaya ako na-encounter gid na ko ng mga ingon ana nga situation. So, katong naging kami na, I promised myself na I will protect what is mine. And this relationship is mine. This family is mine. I will protect this family.
At all costs.
At all costs. Muna nga nagid mi amo ang date nga kung anak ani mingon gid pag date ra gud mo be palihog lang kalabi na kana medyo init na ang sitwasyon kana sapot-saputo nako ana di ko magluto di ko ganahan mingon dito ko ang panganay nga pag date ra gud mo be kapoy kay mo tan-awon ay subot pa sabutan na even sila kabalo na sila sa ako amo ang language of love sa amo ang need kay inani magud siya halimbawa ang imuhang kinahanglan bagutom gud ta attorney di ba gusto ka mo kaon og adobo unya giserban ka og bulad mabusog ka yes pero dili ka ma-satisfy di ba so it same goes with our heart with our language ba sa love na kung ihatag sa imuha yes ma-happy ka ako tagaan ko niya sa unag cash nga bouquet happy ko uy pero I'm not satisfied kasi during that time daghan mi kwarta pero busy siya magsige siya biyahe dili mi magkita mag-check-in siya hotel siya ra isa akong utok na krung-krung na kay basig nanay laing kauban di ba so ingana na siya nga mas gusto na ko mag-uban mi so we choose na mag-business mi together kung nami mga lakaw together so kung naamoy balak guys nga bulagon mi sorry na lang kay together forever gyud ang among plano.
Okay. So, salamat kayo.
Yes, thank you
Inspiring
so much.
kayo, no? I am speechless nga naminaw sa inyo, ha? Because gi-absorb po na ako actually na I'm older than you. I have more years of experience. Pero I learned so many things. I know it all along. Pero I just have to be reminded ba na ayaw po i-take for granted ang kanang mga ingon ana. So, kanang yung mga holding hands, actually, nagikada sa mo kami nakauna. Bisuon ra mo. Salamat kayo, ha?
Thank you so much, no, DJ and
Yes.
Sito.
Salamat kayo.
Sama sa gigo ni attorney, nice pod kay nga ma-remind ba, no? Listening to you. So thank you so much sa inyo ang mga beautiful kayo nga mga stories.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much mga pangga. Our heart is full. And daghan kay pudnig na kun ano, we will be right back. Welcome back mga pangga. So before we end, let me summarize the message na akong nakuha ila Baron og Jamie. First is acceptance. Accept your partner for who he is. Ako pong na-learn nga dapat walay competition, dapat i-support and complement each other. And na-struck pod ko sa ilang values nga gi-impart, katong love, compassion, respect for other people, nga walay judgment, di ba? And above all, how great our God is. So, how amazing God is. He restored Baron, and now kisa ko'y magtuo nga si Baron would, without embarrassment, would speak about his faith in God, his personal relationship in God. So that makes him a very effective na spokesperson about mental health, about hope, about second chances or many chances. Mao na akong na-learn. And kay Jamie, akong na-learn na most specifically, kanang mo submit ka, natukan gani ko kay malisod eg submit, no? Pero submit gid ka totally sa imong husband, and if there is a person who will support your husband, who is the friend of your husband, ang wife gid ay.
Yeah, indeed, it's true, no? Very fruitful kayo nga afternoon. Ang ako pong na-get o nakapa-struck sa ko ang sharing ni DJ ug ni Rosie. I had to look as pito, no? Number one is katong idea nga you have to be happy with the happiness of your partner, no? Instead of being insecure, especially on the part of DJ as a husband, instead of being insecure, he's so happy about the achievement of Rosie, and in fact he supported Rosie, and as he learned sa mga tips on how to increase the financial capacity, iya pong gina-absorb na later on magamit sa iyang pamilya, no? Ang ikaduha is I am so struck about the love language, no? Nga nakakita po na ako basig unsa pod kada ang love language sa akong asawa, no? Pabagyan na po ko na nakabalo ko, pero gusto ko na ako pong i-communicate di sayahan ni guli ba na. Ang love language ba kanindot kayo nga aspito ba kay kanabitaw ang language, verbal, non-verbal, mamana part man na sa tong language, so depende sa mga language niya. Katong ang idea ba nga the heart is like a stomach, nga kung unsay mong i-feed, kung dili po nimo i-feed, dili po siya ma-prosper. And kanang mga butanga murag treasure kay na sa kuha karon hapon. I'm so thankful and I'm so privileged. I'm honored to be with you this afternoon.
So, dili lang ang atong mga pangga ang naka-learn. Kita pod mismo nga mga hosts, daghan kaayog na learn, no?
Yeah.
So, murag makaingon, gid ka, sige, gusto na ko muuli. Kay ako na pong ibalik to akong love language sa akong bana. Pero, Doc, salamat kaayo, no? Nami tribute, pero ayaw na lang. Kay, hubag na akong mata, sige, gila. Tribute in the sense na, salamat chud ko nimo, Doc. Salamat kay, I know how busy you are. And yet you are here. So thank you so much for making life easy for me as a host. Thank you so much for sharing your time. I know na gibuhat din mo because you love our advocacy, mental health awareness.
Yeah, thank you po. Actually, kung estudahan na itong busy, mas busy yung gano. si Ma'am Flor po, busy kayo. But when we conceptualize this, pag inuna ko ni Ma'am Flor nga, yes, I will know because we have the same advocacy. So, I give my yes into this. So, daghan po na learn, no? I'm so happy about this. Thank you so much. I hope mga viewers, you will continue to really watch the next episodes of The State of Mind.
I'm looking forward, Doc, na in some episode, ikaw na po ang akong guest host. Kahinakon ka, pero dili pa tama human kay dili ka pwede muundang pagka co-host kung dili ka mag-TikTok. So, kung dili ka mag-TikTok, co-host gyapon ka sa next episode. Okay, Doc. Katagin example and pwede mag-join tanan.
I was Bobby ang gigigon ako sa akong wife, and it was the first and the last TikTok, no, sa akong gibuhat. Pero anyway, I'm so versatile, so pwede gyapon ko muhatag. Pero kinahanglan na mo tanan.
Pasay que pesalar, le con sos skiri, 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 skiri.